All right, everybody. How's everybody doing this morning? Welcome to another episode of Rob's West Virginia Bass Fishing. And this morning I'm out at O'Brien Lake in Staats Mills, West Virginia, just a few miles outside Ripley. And man, it's chilly this morning. It was 49 degrees when I left my house. It's probably 52, 53 now. We got really stained water. Water temperature 73 degrees. And it's Saturday morning. We're 2 days after a cold front, and it really dropped the air temp. So we'll see what happens. But anyway, we're gonna start shallow this morning. I got a couple of my favorite baits tied on. My Strike King chick magnet, the chartreuse, blue black splatterback, and then I just put this spinner bait together last night. It's a Strike King tour grade finesse spinner bait. It had gold and silver willow leaves on it, but then I put these blades on it last night, that gold Colorado and this red kicker. So we're gonna see how that goes. I came over here really to test this bait, so that's probably what I'm gonna start with this spinner bait for a while and see what happens. Hopefully we can get on one today. Like I said, it's Saturday morning and we just had a big front come through Thursday afternoon, so it could be a tough bite today. Oh, yeah. Oh, this is a decent fish, folks. Oh, yeah. Get away from that trolling motor. Oh, he's bulldogging it out for the deep water. I think he's about done now. Maybe. Oh, yeah. Oh! Ouch! Oh, yes! Look at there, folks. There's an O'Brien special. Oh, my goodness. Man, he ate that plastic worm, too. Oh, goodness. Look, that's a junebug colored Strike King Ragetail Thumper worm. Oh, wow. I am stoked. There we go, got it. All right, get it back in the water real quick and we'll get length and weight. (17.5 inches). Oh man, my batteries are dead. Daggone it. Well, I guess I'll be stopping at Walmart. All right, let's hurry up and weigh it. £2, 8 ounces. All right. Yeah, I gotta run to Walmart and get some batteries. All right. I'll go ahead and get this fish turned loose, see if we can get us another one. Going back into O'Brien Lake. Boy, folks, that was fun. That was a good fish. First one in the morning. Just an old school Texas rig. That's a 7-inch Strike King Ragetail Thumper worm in junebug color. Got it with a 4/0 mustad offset round bed hook and 3/16 ounce tungsten weight. Nothing fancy about this. Just like I said, basic old school Texas rig. And back here in this shallow pocket off the main lake. And I might stay back in here a little bit, see if we can't get us another one. Oh, are you kidding me? A freaking green sunfish on a 7-inch plastic worm. Look at that. Oh, that's funny. I mean, ow, quit it. I mean, look. Oh boy. That was interesting. Ah, oh man. Now he's down in my tackle bag. I might get to measure this fish. A 6-inch green sunfish on a 7-inch plastic worm and 4/0 hook. Crazy things have happened. Oh, there we go. Oh, yeah. Come on in here. Oh yeah, right in the corner of the mouth. Got you. All right, folks. Another one on the old school Texas rig. Just running pocket to pocket. He ate it, just like that other one did. Fish number 3 of the morning. Ow! There we go. Strike King Ragetail Thumper worm, getting it done again. All right. 13 inches. Hopefully my scale will last today. £1 pound, 1 ounce. All right. All right. Go ahead and get my phone off the tripod here. We'll go ahead and turn this one back loose into O'Brien Lake. Here we go. Yeah. There we go. Oh gosh. Come on, get in here. Right there in the corner of the mouth again. Come here. Got him. There we go, folks. This Ragetail Thumper worm's wearing them out. Every one of them hooked just like that. All right, that's 4th bass, 3rd bass of the morning. Fourth fish, 3rd bass. Oh, come on. Oh, come on. Dang, going. There we go, got it. All right, hurry up. Let me get some air. Probably about 13 inches, just like the last one. 13 5/8. All right. Hopefully let's scale away this one. All right. £1 4 ounces. All right. Turned out to be a pretty good day so far. All right. Get the phone off the tripod and we'll go ahead and turn this one loose. All right. There goes another little chunk back into O'Brien Lake. There we go. Got it that time. Get in here, little bass. All right, there's fish number 5, but daggone, they're getting smaller. He liking some of that Ragetail Thumper worm. Probably a 9-inch bass, 10-inch bass on a 7-inch worm. Got it. But I'm just happy to still be catching fish. It just is 10 inches long. On a 7-inch worm, that's funny. All right, but we'll go ahead and let this little dude grow up. Jeez, I didn't even know I had it. Oh, it got off. Daggone it. I didn't even know I had a fish. There we go. I got it that time. Get away from that trolling motor. Get in here. All right, woohoo. I think this is that same one I lost a while ago. I got my daggone line wrapped up in a tree. Gosh, how does this even happen? I got my fish though. That's all that matters. Ah, stop it. Got it on the Wacky rig. Boy, that hook just fell out too. On the 5-inch Sic Worm from Bugsy's Baits USA. least see how long it is. Eleven 3/8. Hey, but that's fish number 6, bass number 5 for today out here at O'Brien Lake. We'll go ahead and turn this little guy loose. All right, everybody, I think I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this video up now. It's going on 3 o'clock. I got back here at the ramp about 2:30 or so, and I've been here loading up, getting ready to go home, but I just thought I'd go over how my day went out here at O'Brien Lake today at Staats Mills, West Virginia. It's the 4th time I've ever been here. I don't know this lake very well yet, but I'm starting to get accustomed to it. But I caught 6 fish today, 5 bass and a green sunfish. And let's see, five of the fish that I caught were bass, and then caught a green sunfish on this junebug colored Strike King Ragetail Thumper worm. It's a 7-inch worm, like I said, it's junebug colored. Got a little 1/8 ounce, or not 1/8, 3/16 ounce tungsten sinker with a 5/0 mustad offset round bend hook. And like I said, I caught 5 of the fish today on this Ragetail Thumper worm, junebug color. And I was fishing this Thumper worm. Everything I caught today was in pockets off the main lake, but I was fishing this Thumper on my Lew's Hank Parker Signature Series rod. Have it paired with a Lew's reactor reel. The rod's 7-foot medium heavy action with a fast tip. The reel's got a 7.5-to-1 gear ratio, and I got it spooled with a 14-pound test Vicious Pro Elite fluorocarbon. And then I caught 1 bass. The 6th fish I caught today was on Wacky rig, and this is a 5-inch Sic Worm from Bugsy's Baits USA. It's junebug colored also. Everything I caught today was on junebug colored plastics. Like I said, this is a 5-inch Sic Worm. I got it on a little 1/0 mustad finesse hook and a couple O-rings on there. And caught I actually could have caught 2 fish on this, but I lost one of them on this Wacky rig. I didn't feel it on there and it got off. But I was fishing the Wacky rig also on my other Hank Parker Signature Series rod from Lew's, and I have it paired with a mock smash reel from Lew's, and I got the 20-pound test high vis vicious braid, and spliced to about 3 feet of 12-pound vicious fluorocarbon. So yeah, both of my Hank Parker rods got to play today. But yes, we had a strong front go through Thursday night, so this is now 2 days later, and I couldn't get anything going on moving baits. But once I picked up this worm and caught that first fish, man, that's all I threw the rest of the day was this worm and the Wacky rig, and it helped me catch 6 fish. But like I said, I don't know this lake real well, and I'm starting to learn my way around it and starting to figure it out. But anyway, if you're new to the channel, I'd appreciate it if you could give it a like, subscribe, maybe give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think in the comments, and I'll try to get out and get another video done as soon as I can. And I really appreciate everybody watching.